In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 10Web AI Website Builder. First, head to 10web.io. Click Get Started for free. Create your account with email or sign in with Google, then log into your dashboard. This dashboard is your control center for projects, hosting, and publishing, and it's where you'll manage everything related to your site. To start your first build, choose Create a new website with AI. You'll be asked to pick a site type. Select informational website if you need a portfolio, blog, or company site. Choose online store if you plan to sell products. Click. Next to continue, now add the business details the AI will use. Choose a business category, enter your business name, and provide a short description or answer the on-screen prompts if you'd like help. The clearer and more specific you are about services, audience, and tone, the better the generated copy will fit. Select your preferred language and style. So headings, colors, and messaging align with your brand. When it looks right, click Next or Finalize. The AI use this information to generate text, layout, and visuals tailored to your inputs. The AI will begin generating your site. It assembles layouts, text, and visuals based on your inputs. This can take a couple of minutes. When the build is complete, you'll see a congrats pop-up. Click Preview and Edit to open the 10Web Builder, which is based on Elementor. Here, you can fine-tune design, content, and sections. Drag and drop elements, adjust spacing, swap images, and rewrite any text directly on the page. Use this pass to align fonts, colors, and calls to action with your brand voice. Take a moment to preview your changes as you go, and keep your messaging consistent from page to page for a polished result. Need more pages? In the AI Builder, select Add Page. You can generate with AI by describing the new page, use AI recreation to convert an existing URL into a new page, or start from a blank page. Enter a page title and a brief description, click Generate, then choose View and Edit to customize the result. Keep navigation labels short and clear so visitors immediately know where to click. When you're happy with the site, finalize it. Connect your custom domain so visitors can find you at your chosen web address. Set up hosting. 10Web includes hosting to simplify launch and performance. Enable SSL to add a free security certificate and show that your site is secure. The platform will guide you through each of these settings so you don't miss anything important. Finally, publish to make your website live. That's the complete flow. From sign up